Good evening, and here are your main courses. For you, sir, the Zwiebelrostbraten with roasted potatoes.
Oh, wonderful. That looks absolutely incredible. The presentation is beautiful. Thank you so much.
And for the madame, the grilled salmon with asparagus and hollandaise sauce. Please be careful, the plates are very hot.
Everything looks perfect. We were so looking forward to this. It smells delicious. Thank you again.
You are very welcome. I will let you enjoy your meal. Please let me know if there is anything else I can get for you. Enjoy.
We will. Thank you. Well, this looks amazing. A perfect meal for our anniversary. I am so glad we chose this restaurant. The atmosphere is lovely, and the service has been excellent so far. My steak looks like it is cooked perfectly, and your salmon looks so fresh. I cannot wait to try this.
Okay, time for the first bite. The onion gravy smells fantastic. That is strange. My potatoes are cold. Not just warm, but actually cold. Let me try the steak. The steak is cold, too. The center is completely cold. This must have been sitting in the kitchen for a long time. How is your salmon, my dear? Is it nice and hot? What? Yours is cold, too? And the hollandaise sauce? That should be warm. This is very disappointing, especially on a special night like tonight. I do not know what to do. I feel very uncomfortable complaining. I hate making a scene in a restaurant. Everyone is having a nice time, and I do not want to be the difficult customer. But we cannot eat this. Cold steak and cold fish are not very nice at all, and this was not an inexpensive meal. You are right. I should say something. We are paying for a good meal, and this is not good. I just need to be polite about it. I will wait for the waitress to walk by again, and I will try to get her attention quietly. I will not shout or be rude. I will just explain the problem calmly. Okay, I see her coming this way now. Deep breath.
Excuse me. So sorry to bother you.
Hello again. Is everything all right? Can I get you some more water?
No, thank you. We are fine for water. I just wanted to speak to you for a moment about our food.
Of course. Is there a problem with your meal?
I am afraid there is a small issue. I really do not like to complain, and I feel a little bit awkward saying something.
Please, do not feel awkward at all. If something is not right, we want to know. We want all our guests to have a perfect experience. So please, tell me what is wrong.
Thank you. I appreciate that. You have been very kind, and we really do not want to cause any trouble. It is just about the temperature of the food.
The temperature? Okay, please explain.
Well, unfortunately, both of our meals are cold.
Oh, I see. When you say cold, do you mean they are not as hot as you would like, or are they actually cold?
They are quite cold, I am afraid. My roasted potatoes are cold to the touch, and the steak is also cold in the middle. It tastes like it has been waiting for a long time before being brought to our table.
And what about your wife's meal? The salmon?
Yes, my wife says her salmon is also completely cold, and the asparagus as well. The sauce on top is cold too. We were so looking forward to it, but we really cannot enjoy it like this.
I understand. You are absolutely right. A meal like this should be served steaming hot.
Yes, exactly. We know it is a busy night, and we understand these things can happen. We just thought you should know. We have not eaten more than one bite each.
I am so terribly sorry about that. Please accept my sincerest apologies. That is not our usual standard at all, and I am very embarrassed that this has happened, especially on your special evening.
Thank you. We understand.
There is no excuse for serving cold food. I am going to take care of this for you immediately. Thank you so much for bringing this to my attention calmly and politely. It helps us to fix the problem.
Of course. We did not want to make a fuss.
You have been very gracious. I need to speak to the kitchen, but first, I want to assure you that we will make this right. You absolutely should not eat a cold meal.
So, what can we do?
I will take both of these plates back to the kitchen right now. Please allow me to handle this.
Okay, thank you. So, will they just reheat these plates in a microwave? I am always a bit worried about that, especially with steak and fish.
Oh, absolutely not. We would never do that. Reheating would overcook the steak and ruin the salmon. No, we are going to have the chef prepare two completely new, fresh meals for you from the beginning.
Really? 2 new meals? Are you sure? That seems like a lot of trouble.
It is no trouble at all. It is our mistake, and this is the only correct way to fix it. You deserve a fresh, hot, and delicious meal, and that is what we are going to give you.
Wow. Okay. Thank you very much. How long do you think that will take?
I will personally speak to the head chef and ask him to make your orders a top priority. I expect your new meals will be ready in about 10 to 15 minutes. Is that acceptable?
Yes, that is perfectly fine. We are not in a big hurry. Thank you so much for being so understanding and helpful.
It is my job to make sure you are happy. I am so sorry again for our mistake. I will take these plates now, and I will be back in a moment.
Hello again. I just wanted to let you know that the chef is working on your new dishes right now. He sends his apologies as well. Your food should be ready in about 10 minutes.
Thank you for the update. We really appreciate it.
And I would like to offer you both a drink on the house to enjoy while you wait. Would you perhaps like another glass of the Gruner Veltliner you were enjoying? Or maybe a beer or a soft drink? It is our way of saying sorry for the delay and the inconvenience.
Oh, that is very generous of you. You really do not have to do that.
We insist. It is the least we can do to apologize for our error. We want to make sure the rest of your anniversary dinner is perfect.
Well, in that case, thank you very much. That is very kind. Yes, we would love another glass of wine each, please.
Excellent. I will bring those right over for you. Thank you for your patience. Your delicious and, more importantly, hot meals will be with you very shortly.
This is really excellent service. I was so nervous about complaining, but she has been so professional and kind. She did not make us feel bad at all. Offering a free drink is a very nice touch. It shows that they really care about their customers. I am starting to feel much better about this place again.
Here we are, two completely new, fresh, and piping hot main courses for you. I checked the temperature of the plates and the food myself this time. Everything is perfect.
They look wonderful. Thank you for taking care of everything so quickly and efficiently.
Here is your Zwiebel Roastbraten, sir, and the grilled salmon for your wife. I am confident that you will enjoy them this time.
I am just going to check. Yes, the potatoes are steaming hot, and the steak is warm and perfect. This is exactly what we were hoping for. My wife says her salmon is perfect now, too.
I am so relieved to hear that. I am truly sorry about the first time. The chef explained there was a miscommunication in the kitchen, but he has assured me it will not happen again tonight.
Thank you for the explanation. We really appreciate how you have handled this situation.
It is my pleasure. Now I will finally let you eat your dinner in peace. Please enjoy every bite.
We certainly will. This looks and feels so much better. Thank you again.
Hello. I just wanted to come back and check on you both. How is everything with your new meals? Is the temperature right? Is everything cooked to your liking?
Everything is absolutely perfect now. Truly. The steak is delicious, tender, and hot. The gravy is rich and flavorful. My wife is also extremely happy with her salmon. She said it is one of the best she has ever had.
Oh, I am so happy to hear you say that. It makes me very glad that we were able to fix our mistake and give you the experience you deserved.
You certainly did. We were very disappointed at first, but the way you solved the problem was fantastic. You were so polite, professional, and understanding. It has made a big difference to our evening.
Thank you so much. That means a lot to us. Our goal is for every customer to leave here happy, even if we make a mistake along the way.
Well, you have succeeded. We are very happy now. The food is excellent, and your service has been even better.
That is wonderful to hear. Is there anything else I can get for you right now? More bread, perhaps?
No, we are perfectly fine. This is more than enough food. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed the rest of your meal. Are you ready for the bill, or can I perhaps tempt you with a dessert menu? Our Apfelstrudel is homemade.
The Apfelstrudel is very tempting, but we are both so full from the delicious main course. I think we will just have the bill, please.
Of course. I will bring that right over for you.
Thank you. It has been a lovely evening. Despite the small problem at the beginning, you really saved our anniversary dinner.
I am so happy I could. Here is your bill. I just want you to know that I have, of course, not charged you for the 2 glasses of wine I brought you earlier.
Oh, thank you. We saw that. It was very kind.
And as a further apology from the management and a special happy anniversary from us, we have also taken the liberty of removing the cost of one of the main courses from your bill.
What? You took a main course off the bill? You absolutely did not have to do that. We were very happy with the final meal.
We know, but we feel it is the right thing to do. Your special evening was disrupted, and we want to show you how much we value your business and your understanding. We hope you will come back and visit us again.
Wow! I am speechless. That is incredibly generous. After this experience, we will absolutely be back, and we will be telling all of our friends about the wonderful food and the amazing customer service. Thank you for turning a negative situation into such a positive one.